All right, let's do a quick flip through the book. I would love to show you the contents of the book. We start with the why, as we always should, the purpose, and then quickly shift the focus to you. Your dream, your long journey. It's hard and stressful. Why did you do it? What was your driving factor? And this is a big deal when you're answering questions like why IS and what's my motivation. The mission orientedness approach to UPSC, the real demands of UPSC, right? The syllabus is out there, but what are the real demands? What is UPSC really looking for? Some way to analyze the questions and understand the complexity and where they're going in terms of expectations. And then obviously your plan. We also talk about how to manage stress, anxiety, and depression, how to manage stress through this journey, how to read current affairs. I had fun writing this and bantering with Shabir along the way. It was a pretty interesting one. And then Yuva, which is our success mantra, which is really the why, what, how of the preparation. So kind of going back to the basics, understanding what makes you successful. Prelim strategy, main strategy, and subject supplements, where we have included last 20 years analysis for all the subjects, and that should give you a good bird's eye view of end to end how to do the preparation. Then we move focus to the personality test, how to prepare, what kind of things you should be conscious of, common myths, how to fill up the DAF, things like that. Topper strategies, this was very, very helpful. So many of our students gave answers to some common questions in terms of what really worked for them. So there's a gold mine of information there. And then finally we end with what we call a transformative journey. And the transformative journey is all about your preparation years. What did you learn? How did that change you? And that should give you a perspective of it's a huge chunk of your life, and how should you think about it. So that's roughly the book. It's around 280 pages long. It's got a lot of details, graphs, pictures, workbooks. So it's going to be fun reading it. It's not a book that sits on the shelf. It's a book that you carry. There's a lot of case studies as well of notable civil servants, and it's written in a very conversational style, so it's not dense at all. You should be able to read it in one sitting if you like to. So yeah, I'm hoping that you'll benefit a lot from this book, and do send us your feedback of how you like it. What changes would you like to see in it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All the very best, and may the force be with you.